Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I would like to give another example on orthogonal trajectories in polar coordinates. See the statement of the given problem. Show that the family of curves r power n is equal to a secant n theta and r power n is equal to b into c cosecant n theta are mutually orthogonal. It means that the curves in this family are intersects every member in this family orthogonally. Okay, see, no doubt at all, where a and b are parameters. First consider this family. Consider the family of curves r power n is equal to a into secant n theta. Take it equation number 1 where a is the parameter. First of all, as usually, I will eliminate the parameter a by taking the derivative with respect to theta. Automatically you will get differential equation of given family. Okay, but before taking the derivative with respect to theta, since given family is in r comma theta, I will take log on both sides. Okay, apply logarithmic function on both sides. So log r power n. What is log r power n? By using the properties of logarithmic functions, it gets n into log r, and the left hand side, the right hand side part becomes log of mn. So you will get log a plus log of secant n theta. Now you will take derivative with respect to with respect to theta on both sides. So you will get n into derivative of log r with respect to theta is 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to log a is entirely constant whose derivative with respect to theta is 0, and derivative of log of secant n theta, it is in the form of log theta, that's why its derivative is 1 by secant n theta into what is the derivative of internal term secant n theta, n into secant n theta into tan n theta. This is the derivative for secant n theta. So n by r into dr by d theta is equal to 1 secant n theta getting cancelled. So remaining part is only n into tan theta. N into tan n theta. So n also getting cancelled. What is dr by d theta? R into tan n theta. So take it equation number 2. Okay, clearly we are observing that in this differential equation parameter is not involved. That's why this is called differential equation of given family 1. Now we should get the differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories. So replace dr by d theta by minus r square into d theta by dr into, to get differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories. Okay, required orthogonal trajectories. So equation number 2 becomes to how? What is dr by d theta? Minus r square d theta by dr. Okay, don't forget one important thing. In the case of Cartesian coordinates, we should replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy only. But in the case of polar coordinates, we should replace dr by d theta by minus r square into d theta by dr to get the orthogonality. Okay, don't forget it. So in the right hand side you have r into tan theta. Okay, 1 r getting cancelled. Take it equation number 3. This is called differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories. Now separate the variables on both sides. Separate the variables on both sides. So you will get 1 by tan. What is 1 by tan? Cot n theta into d theta is equal to dr by r. And also we have negative sign, but I will write this equation as dr by r is equal to cot n theta into d theta, and take negative sign this side. Take integration on both sides now. So what is integral 1 by r dr? Log r is equal to, I will write the integration of cot n theta as minus log of cosecant n theta. So minus of minus plus, so you will get log mod cosecant n theta whole by n. Don't forget to write n in the denominator, which is coefficient of theta, plus log c. Okay, plus log c. So I will write this one as multiply with n. So you will get n into log r is equal to n getting cancelled, log of cosecant n theta plus n into log c. By using the logarithmic properties, first I will write this is log r power n, after that log mn formula. So you will get r power n is equal to c power n into cosecant n theta, and I will replace this c power n with b, which is also a parameter, b into cosecant n theta. So clearly we are observing that. Take it equation number 4. What is 4? 4 is OT of given family.